Let's consider the following word problem. A rectangular flower bed is 5 feet longer than it is wide. If the area of the flower bed is 45 square feet, find the length and the width of the flower bed. All right, so let's just draw a quick picture of our flower bed. It's in the shape of a rectangle. We'll let W equal the width. The length is W plus 5. Now, what do we know about this flower bed? We have the area, so we're going to take the length, which is W plus 5, and we're going to take that times the width. We know that to equal 45, and there is our quadratic equation. We'll know it's quadratic once we distribute the W through. So from that, we get W squared plus 5W, subtracting the 45. We'll put our equation in standard form. So what we'll now do is take this, plug it in the quadratic formula. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 5, C is equal to a negative 45. Now, when we plug this into our quadratic formula, we'll find our value for the width, and that will look like the following. Negative 5 plus or minus the square root of 205, and that will all be over, in this case, 2. Now let's look at our two possible solutions here. Moving this up, we have W is equal to a negative 5 plus the square root of 205, all over 2. And then the other one will be W equals negative 5 minus the square root of 205, all over 2. Now notice we have a negative 5 minus the square root of 205. That's going to give us a negative width, so we can ignore that. On the left here, once we pile this into our calculator, we'll get a value of 4.66 feet once we round that to 2 decimal places. Now what is that? That's our width. We now need the length. And what do we know about the length of our flower bed? It's 5 feet more than the width, so we can say the length L is equal to 9.66 feet. And this solves our word problem.